Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Descending the gentle slope from the base of the Washington Monument towards the west, the landscape of the National Mall begins to change. We are leaving the singular vertical focus of the 18th century founding and moving towards the expansive horizontal storytelling of the 20th century. This walk is a transition between two different eras of American memory. Ahead of us lies the World War II Memorial, a site that bridges the gap between the towering obelisk of the first president and the solemn sanctuary of the Lincoln Memorial. As we approach 17th Street, the vastness of the Rainbow Pool comes into view. This area was once a simple, quiet reflection of the Washington Monument, but it was reimagined at the turn of the 21st century to anchor the memorial of the greatest generation. The design of the World War II Memorial was carefully calculated to preserve the famous vistas of the century, the unobstructed view between Washington and Lincoln. By depressing the memorial into the ground rather than building it upward, the architects ensured that it honors the scale of the war without disrupting the historic geometry of the mall. The architecture here is a language of unity. As we enter the Memorial Plaza, we're surrounded by 56 granite pillars, representing the US states, territories, and the District of Columbia at the time of the war. These pillars are linked by bronze wreaths, symbolizing the agriculture and industrial mights that fueled the Allied victory. It is a physical manifestation of a nation that, for a brief and monumental moment, was entirely focused on a single purpose. The two massive triumphant arches, one for the Atlantic Theater and one for the Pacific, serves as the gateways to the global story. Walking through this space, the sound of water becomes the dominant experience. The central fountain wasn't just an aesthetic choice. It was designed to create a sonic mask, a wall of white noise that helps to drown out the city traffic and create a sense of enclosure and peace. In the middle of the bustling capital, the water provides a rhythm for reflection. To the west, the memorial opens towards a reflecting pool, where the Freedom Wall stands with its 4,048 gold stars, each star representing 100 American lives lost in the conflict, a staggering reminder of the human cost of freedom that we often take for granted. Standing between the Washington Monument and this memorial, you can feel the narrative arc of the country. We have moved from the birth of the Republic to the moment when it was tested on a global scale. The walk captures the evolution of American identity from the revolutionary ideals of a single man to the collective sacrifices of millions. As we move closer to the water's edge, we're entering a space designed for gratitude, reminding every visitor that the stability of the monument behind us was preserved by the courage of those honored here. Welcome to the heart of the 20th century.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.